पणजे महानगरपालिकेची अर्थसंकल्पीय बसका झाली. 120 कोटीचे बजेट म्हूण महापौर रोहित मोन्सेराताची माहिती. अंदूचे बजेट खंय 300 कोटींनी वाडयला. 18 ते 20 कोटी खंय पणजे शारांतल्या विकासाक. करंजळे नुस्तें मार्केट आनी सांतिनेज मसणभुंयेच्या रिनोव्हेशनाकूय खंय आर्थीक तरतूद.
Yeah, so the budget details I will give you. The revenue is around 120 crores, expenditure will corresponding around 118 crores. So this year we are planning on spending at least our development outlay should be between maybe 15 to 20 crores that we are spending throughout the city. We want to spend significant amounts on the Santinez Cemetery, the Karanjale fish market, we want to redo that. So we're going to spend a lot of money this year in terms of development. No, so the budget has gone up by say around 30 crores at DT on all is saying as per thing. So we'll know now based on what the actual revenue collected is. But as far as our thing, all our payments and everything are secure. We're not delayed on any of our payments or any of those issues. And yeah, we're in a healthy financial position.
मजगती विरोधक म्हणतात CCP टॅक्स कलेक्शनाक फेल.
Last year it was some 98 crores. They collected 68 crores. Again, this time it is some 98 crores. It's very easy to say, but does collection come? House tax, around 80 crores outstanding. You know?
Why it is outstanding?
I don't know.
CCP failed to collect the outstanding.
I don't know. You have to ask them.
बाकीचे कितें जे येवपाचें आसा मार्केटान सान मार्केटाचे अजूनही एग्रीमेंट जावना. आतांच आमी डिस्कस केला त्या प्रमाणे तो जो प्लॉट आसा तो आमच्या नांवान नासलो. थोडो पोर्शन आमचो आसलो, थोडो पोर्शन हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट आसलो, थोडो पोर्शन PWD आसलो आनी आतां तो मेयरान सांगला त्या प्रमाणे आतां लेटेस्ट तो आमच्या नांवार जालो म्हणून.
प्रुडंटा खातीर रुपेश राऊत.